Awesome.
All right, so the homework wasn't too bad this week, I don't think. Well, the group work.
No.
I understood it, I think.
So, and it's funny, I didn't understand it during Math 108, and I understand it here. So.
Okay, well, I just opened the quiz, and now I feel like I'm going back to the beginning again. So hopefully you guys can help me out with this.
Oh, there's 13 questions. Well, we know the first two are good.
Yeah.
So, okay, I guess I'll start out.
Okay.
Human blood can be classified in one of four basic types: 0A, B, and AB. The proportion of people in the population of the United States with each of these blood types is summarized in the following, and we're looking at the table. The blood types and the proportions given in the table define a probability distribution.
I put true because they all equal to 1.
Correct, and they're all between 0 and 1. So yes.
Okay. I always write down the answers to these. That way, if we have to go back.
Yeah.
So, okay. So what is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood?
0.45.
4 or 5.
So that would be, wouldn't that be 45%?
But you have to, it says up above to write them as percents, which is 0.45.
Okay.
It says round to 2 decimal places. So does that mean we're going to round it to 0.50? Or no?
No.
I don't know.
Because we don't have the next number, so it's just the 0.45, I'm sure.
So we'll just leave it as 0.45?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I can just read these. That's not a big deal. Or we can just, do you guys just want to read them real quick and then we'll get to question 6? So Carolyn, or you want me to read it out loud?
Read number 5?
No, I can just read it.
Yeah, well, number 6, there's a paragraph above it that, so we'll just read that quietly.
Oh, hold on. What about number 5?
Oh, 5, I totally missed number 5.
Yeah, the probability that a randomly selected person will not have a blood type 0. So
the rest of that to number 1.
That's at 0.55.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna.
And then we're not gonna round because,
Because we don't have a third number to round.
I will tell you, I took the quiz, the homework quiz, and so it's kind of confusing. You have to put everything in decimal format. So like, the first question is like 36.32%. You have to put it as 0.3632.
Oh, okay.
When you do the homework, be aware of that.
I did the same thing. I did the whole quiz and got them all wrong because I wrote them in the wrong format.
Yeah, I'm like, oh my gosh. So,
You may want to put that in answers and questions, you know.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so 6. I don't know where to start with this one. I'm trying to figure it out.
Carolyn, what was
If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient?
So let me
So
finish.
there's 7 dogs.
I'm just finishing reading the paragraph. I haven't read it yet.
Okay. Let's see, there's. Are you guys still there? Where did you guys go?
Linda, you froze.
I just invited you again. I don't know.
No, I got it.
Okay.
You froze.
Oh, okay.
This is, I guess, broadcast again. Oh, it is live still.
Yeah.
So I think it's just 1/7, which is 0.142.
Okay.
Oh no, what 0.143? Because of
Right.
rounding. I mean, does that sound right to you guys?
Yeah, that's how I did it.
So 0.143.
Right, because we take the 7 specimens and the one chance that they'll get it right. So 1/7 is 0.143 rounded to the third spot.
All right.
So number 7, in a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from 22 patients. It is very likely.
They identified from one patient, the cancer patient, 22 times.
Oh, out of the 54.
Yeah.
It is very likely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. It is very unlikely, sorry. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? This provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer, or there is little evidence. And I think it provides strong evidence.
Yeah.
That's what I think. Mm-hmm.
Then next we go to M&Ms. It gives the percentage of everything but the green.
So we need to find out what the green is, right?
Oh, yeah. So I
Well,
can.
the first question is, if you reach into a bag, what's the probability you'll draw a red? So that would be 0.13.
13%, 0.13.
0.13, yeah.
Yeah.
And then next, what is the probability that a randomly selected candy is green?
It'd be 0.16. Because if you add all those other together,
Then we're just left with the
equals
0.1.
0.84. So it would be 0.16.
Right,
Okay.
And the number 8 was 0.13.
yes.
Yeah, but that's what it says on the chart. Mm-hmm. And then 10.
10, what's the probability that a randomly selected candy is not green? So it's the difference.
0.16 minus 1, correct?
1 minus the 0.16, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So 0.84.
I can't calculate that.
It'd be 0.84.
0.84. Okay. See, I wasn't sure. I'm like, am I doing this right? I was second guessing myself.
Well, we'll find out.
My husband's like, aren't you supposed to learn it from your group? He's like, I don't want to help you right now. Thanks. So, yeah.
Let's see. The ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the Western United States were taken from CAPEX.com. The following summary statistics were calculated. Yada, yada. There's the thing. Half the observations are less than or equal to what number?
So the median. So 24,
24?
because that'd be less than or equal to the middle number, which is the 24.
Yeah. And then
Okay.
based on the information that the top 25 students scored above what number?
And that would be the is that the third quadrant?
Yes.
Yeah.
So 27, right?
Yep.
And
Following statements is not-
oh, and I know the rules of probability because I have them in my notes right here. So
It's the third one, C. If the probability is high, then the probability is positive. If the probability is low, then the probability is negative. But that's not.
there's no negative probabilities.
Right.
Exactly.
Okay, so
Okay.
we submit it and see?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm submitting mine. I hate clicking yes, submit. 100%.
Good job, ladies.
100%.
Oh, awesome. Cool.
I don't know what my computer's doing right now. Is that my computer? Is that your
I
computer?
don't know. I can hear it.
Yay!
I have no idea what that is. Hold
There's
on.
nothing showing me that it's different or there's something going on.
Let
I
me
don't
see
know.
if I got let me check my mail, see if I'm getting like it's gone.
Yeah,
Whatever
mine's
it was.
stuck. Okay, so I will stop the broadcast.
Okay, and so